Hey everyone, it's Wade Color and today we're making one of the most loved foods in the world, a classic homemade lasagna with wonderful layers of Ragù and Béchamel sauce that we are going to make from scratch. This is the ultimate and super delicious comfort food that will gather all of your family around the table and win you a lot of compliments. So without further ado, let's get right into it. At first, we need to make the Ragù and the Bechamel sauces. Let's start with the Ragù. Finely chop 1 medium onion, 1 carrot and 1 celery stalk. Once done, place a saucepot over medium-high heat and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and a tablespoon of butter. Let the butter melt, then add the chopped vegetables and let them sweat for about 10 minutes. Next, we're gonna add our mince. We need half a pound of ground pork and 1 pound of ground beef. Break the meat into small pieces and cook until it is slightly brown on all sides. Now add 3 bay leaves and half a cup of red wine. For another 5 to 6 minutes until the wine is evaporated. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Stir well and season with salt and pepper to taste. Now pour in 2 cans of crushed tomatoes. Reduce the heat to slow and cook for about 30 minutes with the lid closed. To the final touch, throw in a few freshly chopped basil leaves and our ragu is ready. Moving on to the bechamel sauce. Place another saucepot over medium-high heat and add 1 stick of butter. Let the butter melt completely, then stir in half a cup of all-purpose flour and cook stirring constantly until you get a paste that bubbles a bit, but don't let it brown. Add 4 cups of milk and continue stirring as the sauce thickens. Add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Lower the heat and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes and don't stop stirring. Finally, add 1 cup of Parmesan cheese and once the cheese is completely melted, our sauce is ready. Now let's assemble our lasagna. Spread a bit of meat sauce at the bottom of your baking dish and arrange the lasagna sheets over the sauce. Make sure to buy the ones that are pre-cooked. Cover the sheets with the meat sauce again and make sure that you cover the lasagna sheets completely. Spread a bit from the white sauce over the meat and sprinkle the top with the Parmesan and Mozzarella. Keep repeating the layers until all of your ingredients are used up. Finish the top with the remaining Parmesan and Mozzarella. Cover with foil, make sure that the foil does not touch the cheese. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. Remove the foil and cook for another 10 minutes until the cheese is nicely browned. This classic lasagna is great for feeding a big family, and the leftovers will keep you happy for days. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button below, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.